Now, how you can get to your first $500 per day with Google pay-per-click ads and ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now, as you can see here on my screen, right, we have some of the great results with ClickBank and Google pay-per-click ads. Now, this is the new fresh account, as you can see over here, right? So basically, why we are doing this is because for each specific niche, we are creating new ClickBank account. So we separate by each niche so we can do the statements later on and see what performed really well, how conversions went over the months and a year, right? So how you can do it as a beginner. So as you watch this video, maybe you have tried ClickBank in the past and you failed, you lost some money on ads, and now you want to get back into it, or you want to start out as a beginner and make at least, I don't know, 300, 500, or even $1,000 days with ClickBank affiliate marketing as a beginner. Now here you can see, okay, those are the results with Google pay-per-click ads. Now when it comes to Google pay-per-click ads, the most important thing is to understand that Google is all about buyers, okay? We are looking for buyers' clicks. So the money is in the buyers' clicks, okay? Buyers' traffic. So for that to happen, you need to understand that the person or the prospect has to be in the solution seeking state, okay? First of all, the job of our copy, ad copy, pre-sale page, landing page on ClickFunnels, okay, is not to sell, it's to pre-sell. Okay, we're not selling anything, we are pre-selling. And that's all about psychology of ads. Now you can see on Google, people are looking for the solutions to their pains and problems. So we have a back pain, if you want to lose weight, right? Dating, relationship space, okay? All these problems, people are typing into the keywords, right? Into the Google search console. As you can see, how to get rid of my back pain, how to get rid of my backache, right? So we need to put them into the problem state with our ad copy and then move them into the solution state. And the job of VSL, or the video sales letter on ClickBank page before the checkout, is to sell them. Okay, so your job as an affiliate is not to sell, it's to pre-sell. Very important information here. Write it down. Now, let me show you over here what we do. You see, most of the people who buy courses on ClickBank from ClickBank gurus usually do something like this, right? They are taught in the course to use a template to create something like this. So this is the landing page. But what is the problem with this landing page is that it only make you to lose more money and time. Why? Because they are targeting curiosity clickers. The reason why you lost money, if you have ever ran any ads, okay, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, whatever, Google ads, in the past, is not your fault, okay? The reason why is because you have been taught to target wrong audience, which are curiosity clickers or Windows shoppers, right? Who go past the shopping mall and never buy anything. Okay, so it's not your fault. You have been following the outdated methods that used to work a few years ago, but now they're outdated. Okay, the market, the criteria, the desire of market has changed. Okay, it's not about AI, it's about psychology of human mind on a deeper psychological level. That's what affiliate marketing is all about. All right, so you can see over here, this is the wrong method. This is attracting the curiosity clickers who are curious to see what is this weird ugly image about. There is no purpose, there is no functionality to it. For quiz funnel or funnel to be functional, meaning to get conversions, to get sales, it has to have a purpose. Each step of the funnel and ad copy has to have a specific psychological purpose to move person closer to taking an action. CTA, call to action, right? You see over the Zoom call what we get done one-on-one to some of the clients and students, right? When we are running those affiliate Google pay-per-click ads campaigns, all right? Because at least myself, the best way to learn something is do it with someone together with someone, one-on-one, step by step, by hand holding you, so you can actually get once for all finally up and running. Especially before Christmas, before New Year, before 2026. It's best place to be for personal growth, manifestation niche, dating niche. It's huge on ClickBank. It's huge everywhere, not just ClickBank, right? It's evergreen niche with huge pain points. All right, you can see what we are getting. You can see over here the bonuses, okay? Conversion triggers, very important. Targeting formula with precision. It's certain result with certain targeting. All right, very important thing. Now, why this works is because there is deep psychology behind them. All right, we have invisible funnel architecture that we are teaching and showing exactly how to do, so you can install it and deploy into your own Google ad campaigns. We have conversion persona code, which shows psychological level of female and male audiences in different niches. For example, in weight loss space, in golf niche, in survival for men, conservative men, above 65 years old. Totally different language than promoting a product for weight loss to females, okay, or dating offer. It's very important, the language patterns and emotional states that you install into the ad copy and pre-sale page if you want to have 90% or 85% conversion rate. Yes, it's doable, yes. But once you have someone to show exactly how it's done step by step, and all you have to do is 20 to 30 minutes per day to do this. Okay? It doesn't take a genius. Most smart people, most smart affiliates are taking advantage of this timeline, meaning before Christmas, after Christmas, before New Year. Why? Because this is the buying season. There's the buying intent already there. And that's the secret that makes a difference. That's the secret that move the needle to conversions and sales in your ClickBank to get the cash in your bank account. All right. So all it takes is one offer, one Google ad campaign, and one ad to get it up and running. And once you have sale, let's say in the first 48 hours, 24 hours, you can use later on affiliate commissions from ClickBank to reinvest and duplicate the same ad campaign on Google without making any videos, without showing your face. All right. So now you can keep trying alone. Okay. You can keep waiting till January, February, March, while other people are making thousands of dollars per week on ClickBank. Or if you're smart, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, you can follow a proven step-by-step system that actually allows you to start having results and to actually get results, sustainable income online, not just $100, $200 here and there. No, daily sustainable commissions, and you can scale from there. Okay, so if you want to know exactly how to do it, you can connect with me. There is my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number, email, Facebook Messenger, and also my Instagram. Okay, so you can reach out to me also. You can follow me, DM me here, but please only if you're serious, right? If you really want to deploy this and start having great results in 2025 and 2026 as an affiliate, as a beginner, doesn't matter where you're from. Okay, what matters is that you are taking action and want to get results and do something for yourself and finally be up and running. So again, thank you for watching this video.